The next one is do as directed. I was amazed dash her brilliant performance. The correct answer is at. And the next one is she often boasts dash her aristocratic upbringing. She often boasts of. She often boasts of her aristocratic upbringing. And the next one is fill the suitable article. There is dash institution for the blind people. There is an institution and Jimmy is dash engineer posted at southern coast. Jimmy is an engineer posted at southern coast. And the next one is can I have the dash of these kiwis? Can I have some of these kiwis? All these are determiners we are talking about. The first two were of articles and the next one is you have to correct the option from choose option from any, many, some and none. And the next one is choose the correct spelling. I really feel that it would be your favorite one. So let's see what are the correct spelling. Anticipate. The option B, ANTICIPATE. Now let's discuss the literature part. Read the given passage carefully, answer the questions that follow. As you know that you have one poem that is the Lake Isle of Innisfree and the second is Set Our Children Free. Both are in the reading part. So the passage that has been asked here to give you the answers, that is from the chapter Set Our Children Free. Here this is about the Kailash Satyarthi when he delivered a speech after getting the Nobel Prize for Peace. Because I am representing here the sound of silence, the cry of innocence and the face of invisibility. I represent millions of those children who are left behind, and that's why I have kept an empty chair here as a reminder. I have come here only to share the voices and dreams of our children, because they all are our children. So name the chapter, as I have already told you, Set the Children Free. Who is the speaker? Kailash Satyarthi, the Nobel Prize winner for peace. Which sound the speaker is talking to refers to the sound of silence, the sound of children. And the next question is that why has the speaker kept an empty chair? The speaker has kept here the empty chair to keep us remind that there are those who left behind. Even we have to take them with us. And what is the purpose of the speaker behind coming there? Just to remind us about the voices of those children who are left behind. And the next one is answer the questions given below. The first is why did Mr. Baker come to see Mr. Holmes? And the next one is how this may save your visit to Brixton Road. Why did Holmes say this? All these are the questions from the chapter The Adventure of Blue Carbuncle. And just read the chapter again carefully, and I really believe that you would be able to answer the questions. And the next two questions, that why did Mr. Kumar help Ranji even though Ranji had lost the bat, and why was Ranji stressed? These two questions are from the chapter Ranji's Wonderful Bat. So dear students, we have discussed all about the sample paper, and by today evening you would send me the answers of your sample paper in the form of PDF. Just complete your work and send me. Post me on my WhatsApp number. And still, if you have any query related to any of the part of the sample paper, you can discuss with me. Thank you.